Okay, so I was going to Best Buy today and I just went to go look around, and currently I have this keyboard. Now I've gone through several keyboards. I like the blue switches, the blue mechanical keyboards, the clicky loud keyboards, that because I just love to be annoying. And well, I like to type really fast, and I like knowing when I've hit the key and that I've actually hit it. It improves my accuracy. Yeah, there's reasons for it. Uh, and I'm just using this piece of crap because it's wireless and I got it for free. So I'm ready to get rid of this thing. I'm tired of seeing it. So I went to Best Buy and I came across the G915, and this is the wireless. The wireless. It's wireless, and it's tactile. And they had a little demo out there, and it was the keyboard was clicky, and it just made me feel good about myself. So I bought it. So here we go. I'm going to unbox this thing and let's take a look and see what's inside. I already know how it feels. I got to play with it at the store, and I love the way it feels. It feels great. Retail was about $230, somewhere in there. So it's a little pricey, but man, I love the way it feels. It feels great. So without further ado, let's get this thing open. Little paper thingy. Get out of here, paper thingy. All right. Notice there's no plastic on the top, which is interesting. Usually they cover stuff in plastic. They got it around the edges. So it was like nice and metallic feeling in the store. And it still kind of has like that sort of aluminum feel. It's like a plasticky aluminum type feel. Let's see, nice little two-stage 45 and 8-degree little flip-up Dumaflachis. That's the technical term for them. Does anything flip around here? This looks like it comes off somehow. Nope. Maybe some kind of glue or something. I don't know. What is that? It looks like it comes out somehow. Little on and off switch right here. USB mini charging port. Wish that was USB-C or something. That's all I have now. I don't even have any of these cords now other than this one. I've switched almost completely over to USB-C. It's a really nice looking keyboard. I love how tactile it is. It's just it feels really nice. I'm sure there's many more great keyboards online that because I know there's keyboard people out here that are really crazy about their keyboards. And there's really fancy, crazy ones you can get online. But I love the low profile keys. You know, these aren't. I mean, these are not like Cherry MX or anything, any kind of fancy switch. These are some kind of Logitech clicky blue switch. So they're called GL clicky switches. But I'm gonna go ahead and fire this thing up. And wow, look at that. That looks nice. I'm not sure. Oh, so I have to use a receiver. Hopefully this is a. Hopefully this. I don't have to plug this in. Hopefully this uses. What is going on here? What is up with this little USB thing? Oh, so I guess I can extend it and lay it on my desk or something. Which I probably won't be doing that. And this is the charging cable. Or if I wanted to plug it in, I guess that's you can do that too. Did they give us any stickers? Oh wow! Did I guess that? I won't be putting that on anything, but I don't know. I do like stickers for some reason, even though I don't put them on anything. All right, let's plug this thing in and see what it looks like. All right, there was no auto installing driver with this thing, so you have to go find it and download it yourself. So pop this link down into the description below. This link. I'm going to paste that down there for you. There we go. So I've already downloaded it. I'm going to run it. One thing to note is it doesn't work with Logitech options. I guess I could probably uninstall that. Looks, my mouse doesn't show, so I'll probably have to upgrade my mouse in order to uninstall that. I don't even really need it, but it'll keep popping up and asking me. Logitech G Hub. So my keyboard's plugged in. I'm using it. However, it doesn't detect it over Bluetooth. So I have to plug in my little dingle dongle. Plug in the little dingle dongle and push the light speed button on the keyboard, and then it'll show it's connected, which is less than ideal. I wish it would connect over Bluetooth. That'd be convenient, but right off the bat, you can create new profiles for each game that you have installed, or this is for the default, so you can change the preset, choose all kinds of different styles, customize your lights how you want to, breathing. My keyboard's mimicking what you see there. Let's see, I like the Echo Press. And wow, that's really slow. It doesn't. It's actually like an echo, like it doesn't fade. It just kind of. It's like a boop 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 boop. I wish there was a fading when you type. It fades. They don't have that. I've got that in some of my other little RGB keyboards. Reactive. Is that it? I don't know what that's doing. Smooth animation. Oh, that's audio visualizer. And that's just like randomly lighting everything up. Anyway, there's all these different little things that you can pick from. You can configure it manually. So right here, this is when I set up some of my WASD keys are red. I didn't really touch too much with it, but you can configure different. You can configure all these different options for each mode button. So you hit a mode, change the mode, and these are the mode buttons up here. But you hit the mode buttons, and it'll apply the setting to the different modes. So as you can see, I'm flipping through, and then also change the keys on the side. So it's not as customizable as some other keyboards that I've used. So it's like you can seemingly only customize these G keys on the side, and there's not a whole lot else you can configure. But you can set up macros to these. And this is the game mode, so you can disable keys that you don't want to hit, like the Windows key to back you out of the game and stuff like that, or dare I say shift to keep you from the sticky keys. But well, I use shift a lot, so I mean it's not as customizable as I'm used to with some of the other ones. That's all I'll say. But I'm not super crazy about like RGB. I set it and forget it is what I do. But I just like the low profile. I like the actual key, the feel of these keys. That's the main thing I like about it. And then it's wireless. I was hoping that you'd be able to customize this little wheel so that you could you could scroll through a web page, but all you can do is adjust the volume, and yeah, that'd be cool if I can change that. Maybe in an update or something that'll be possible, but not now. So that was a quick unboxing and review of the Logitech G915, and yeah, I guess I wish there was a little more configurable. I wish I could change the volume knob to maybe scroll on web pages or something like that. That'd be kind of nice. But I love the quality build of it. It's really nice especially for Logitech, which usually uses plastic. And I mean, this is kind of a plasticky aluminum. It's not the best, but it is. I don't quite think it's worth $240, but I do enjoy it. And this thing is a removable battery, so you can, if the battery starts to go, you can get a new battery. But it's a really nice keyboard. I'm going to enjoy using it, I think. So what are your thoughts on this keyboard? Leave a comment below. If this video was useful to you, like and subscribe. Till next time. See you later.